RF Security course by Tonex Training.
RF Security course by Tonex Training. Learn how to protect your wireless networks from RF-based security risks. Hi there, welcome to Tonex official YouTube channel, RF Security course. In this video, we will discuss the RF Security course by Tonex Training. This course is designed to provide participants with a comprehensive understanding of wireless network security, focusing specifically on RF, radio frequency, security threats and countermeasures.
Topics. We will cover the following topics in the video. The fundamentals of RF security, including the principles of wireless communication and the unique security challenges associated with RF-based networks. The various security vulnerabilities and threats in wireless networks, such as eavesdropping, signal jamming, rogue access points, and man-in-the-middle attacks. Effective countermeasures and security mechanisms to mitigate RF security risks, such as encryption protocols, access control, intrusion detection systems, and RF shielding. Practical skills in monitoring, analyzing, and securing wireless networks through hands-on exercises and real-world scenarios.
Also, best practices for RF security configuration, network segmentation, and incident response to ensure the ongoing protection of wireless networks.
The RF security course is designed to provide participants with a comprehensive understanding of wireless network security, focusing specifically on RF, radio frequency, security threats and countermeasures. Participants will learn about the vulnerabilities of wireless networks, gain insights into common attack techniques, and explore effective strategies to secure RF communications.
Thank you for watching this video on the RF Security course by Tonex Training. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Learn more about the RF Security course by Tonex Training. Then please visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.